Lithuanian wood bells is wonderful music instrument, but this folk music instrument is possible to play not only Lithuanian folk music, but also most popular melodies. Thank you very much.
So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to pronounce that we are celebrating 80th anniversary of Viežići branch. So give a big applause for it.
Vis dėlto konferencija yra dedikuota Šiaurės šalių žemės mokslų asociacijai. Tai norėtume pakviesti šios asociacijos prezidentą Sveinas Koina tarti pasveikinimo žodį.
My old friend Linas is in the audience. So it's an experience for me as well to come to Lithuania and to see how you're doing. And I am happy to, of course, to open this, welcome you to this conference, this seminar.
Aukite, klestėkite ir žydėkite.
Ačiū labai.
Kai dabar matau jūsų tiek daug veidų, tai tikrai džiaugiuosi, nuoširdžiai džiaugiuosi, kad mes buvom teisūs rengdami šitą renginį. Ir visiškai, kai buvo tik tai šito renginio užuomazga, mes visiškai nežinojom, kad jisai sutaps su tokia gražia pasauliniais dirvožemio metais.
Svein Skoen from Norway. And the title of presentation is Implementation of Practical Measures to Prevent Soil Erosion and Nutrient Runoff from Agricultural Areas. So, here's the floor.
Implement my knowledge, my old knowledge, into practice. So we work with farmers, the government, and the environmental agencies and so on. So I will go quickly through the story as we see it in Norway. There's a lot of research. I haven't time to refer to all that, but and with the soils from much the same as here, clay soils, and where also a large part of the population lives. So there we have this conflict between water quality, agriculture areas and agriculture production to support ourselves in a case of crisis. And what is the natural erosion, which, as I showed, could be quite big as well.
To tell about my experiences when developing the method for reporting carbon stocks changes in croplands in Finland, and also in lots of my optimism. And it seems that there are some suggested methods, and also you can find the rates in the literature. This is not a proper complete literature review, but just as example, some rates that are suggested for different soil management, poorest mineral soils, and concentrate on improving their quality. And also distributing manure to crop growing farms, because we...
About biological activity of soil, the title of presentation is a little different. I will be talking about application of soil biological and biochemical parameters as indicators of soil health and fertility and influenced by different agro-technical practice. Our institute is the oldest agricultural institute in Poland and also the second oldest in Europe after Rodarmstadt. We have beautiful building. Our presentation, I want to cite one sentence of Lloyd Nobel.
And I got the opportunity to work together with Polish colleagues for advising, for education farmer advisors. And in connection to that, we made a lot of observations and but very rough. There were two sorts of risk areas for high phosphorus leaching. It was the pig farms.
Visų pirma, šito pranešimu nesiekiu atsakyti kažkokius įkylančius klausimus ar išspręsti problemas. Šis pranešimas gal šiek tiek yra provokacija. Provokacija visus šiek tiek susimastyti. Nes jeigu pažiūrėtume prieš tai kalbėjusiai ir kolega iš Lenkijos minėjo, kad pas juos dirvožemio mokslas yra 150 metų jau, kaip dirvožemio mokslas yra vystomas. Reiškia, per tokį ilgą laikotarpį tiek yra atlikta darbų dirvožemio pažinime, optimizuojant dirvožemio naudojimo metodus. Nepaisant to, problemos neišsisprendė. Dirvožemio vertinimas degradacijos kontekste turėtų apimti visų pirma tą dirvožemio dangos dalį, su kuria tiesiogiai kontaktuoja žmogus ir ją keičia. Ir vertinimas degradacijos kontekste turėtų būti atliekamas visų pirma natūralių dirvožemio savybių kaitos atžvilgiu.
Vėžaičiai minimi kaip gyvenvietė nuo 16 amžiaus, o dvaras nuo 18 amžiaus.
As you all know, you are in Vėžaičiai, in a village which was mentioned first in 16th century, and starting from 18th century, it is a major. This building is so tough as cultural workers in our village, Amanda and Alma, and they are going to show you the museum which was established by them, and they will show you more about the family that ruled in our village.
First, we would like to invite Svein Skoin to receive his certificate and a little present. Thank Kristina Regina, please come here. Barbara Gulen. There is Barbara. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jonas Novakavičius. Akvitas Marta.
Ir kai grafai fundavo, pastatė, įrengė bažnyčią, jie taip pat savo žemėje pastatė ir špitolę, kleboniją ir klėtį.
Another is for priest house, which is also renovated right now, and this one is like for storage.
Medžioklė su šunim, su arkliais, į Ąžuolijos mišką išvykdavo medžioti. Visi tie, kurie tą laisvalaikio praleidimo formą mėgsta.
This is the Zeppelins. Cepelinų mini porcijos. Tokių turbūt nedaugelis iš jūsų dar esate matę. Turime padėkoti šiai žaliai kompanijai, kurie paruošė šiuo įspūdingu tradiciniu patiekalu, mes ir pradėsime pasistiprinimo metą. Ir dabar jums tiesiog laikas pasimėgauti puikia muzika, užkandžiais ir tikra sočia vakarienė.